Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not working in Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of the screen and click on Steam. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your Steam experience. In the Settings window, navigate to the left panel and click on Controller. This section is specifically designed to manage all your controller settings and compatibility options within Steam. It's where you'll be able to configure how Steam recognizes and processes input from your gaming controllers. If your controller isn't connected to your PC yet, you'll see an option to add controller. Click on it to begin the pairing process. This allows Steam to detect and recognize your controller so it can work properly with your games. Next, click on Show Advanced Settings. This opens up a more detailed set of options that give you granular control over how different types of controllers interact with Steam. These advanced settings are crucial for fixing compatibility issues with various controller types. Now, depending on which type of controller you're using, you'll need to enable the appropriate setting. If you're using Xbox controllers, look for Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers and toggle it on. This tells Steam to actively process inputs from Xbox controllers and translate them properly for games. If you're using PlayStation controller support, click the drop-down menu right beside it and select either Enabled in games without support or Enabled. This ensures that your PlayStation controller functions correctly, even in games that don't natively support it. For those using Switch Pro controllers, simply toggle on the option right beside it. This activates Steam's built-in support for Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. If you're using generic controllers, toggle on the option right beside it as well. This enables Steam to recognize and work with third-party or less common controller types. Once you've enabled the appropriate settings for your controller type, close the Advanced Settings window. You've now configured Steam to recognize your controller at the system level. Now click on Library in the top menu. This takes you to your game collection where you can apply controller settings to individual games. In the left panel, right-click on the specific game you want to use your controller with, then select Properties from the context menu. This opens up the game-specific settings. In the Properties window, click on Controller in the left panel. Here you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Enable Steam Input. This finalizes the controller configuration for that particular game and ensures Steam will process your controller inputs correctly. And that's it! You've successfully fixed your controller issues in Steam by enabling the proper input settings both globally and for your specific game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.